Yo, it's Danny again, man. I'm back with another unboxing. This is literally the second unboxing I'm doing today. So two unboxings in one day. The first one was with my DJI Mini 5 Pro, and the other one is going to be the DJI Mic 3. Bought this because it's the whole kit, and of course it was a holiday bundle that was on sale. I think it was like, I want to say $239 or something like that at Best Buy, but they also had them on Amazon as well. But instead of just getting one transmitter, which I initially was going to buy, I got two transmitters and a receiver. So with this, I can use it with my DJI Action 6, where it's just plug and play. I don't even need to use the receiver. But I also got the receiver, so I can use it with my A7 IV. So hook the receiver up and two mics. So that's always convenient. But enough of that. Let's go ahead and unwrap this bad boy. And again, in my previous video, I also mentioned that DJI never got the audit by December 23rd. So they are now on the ban list, but all of their products that they already had released can still be used. There's no problem there. So I think it's only going to be for any new products that can't be purchased in the US, to my understanding as of now. But yeah, it looks like it comes with a nice carrying pouch. Yeah, this is actually a nice bag right here. I don't know if they sell this bag separately. Like if you were to buy a transmitter and then get another one and then buy the receiver and the case. But to me, it's just go ahead and just get what you're going to get. So got two black wind muffs right here. I believe these are the magnets. Two of them. Here is, looks like a auxiliary cable for the camera if you want to use the receiver. And then here is the DJI Mic 3. Now, originally, they had the DJI Mic Mini on sale for $79. The entire kit where it came with two mics and a receiver. I was going to get that. For me, it was never really about getting the DJI Mic 2. It was either getting the Mic Mini or the Mic 3. I know that this has 32-bit float, so you're not going to clip your audio, and as long as you're in the editing software, everything can be recovered. So I just said when this went on sale, for me it was like about future proofing it and just spending an extra couple $100 and just knowing that, hey, my money will go a little bit further with being able to use this in the future. So, but got a little sticker right there. And I don't know if you guys can see this, but yeah. These are super small. I know that these right here are rotatable and removable. So you can mount it anywhere you want. A couple videos I saw where people were just being a little too nitpicky, saying, well, the magnet isn't strong enough. And, I guess with the Mic 2, you couldn't do this. But, I mean, if you clip this to a hat, or even your shirt, this is just an example. I wouldn't probably have it here, but yeah, that's pretty, it's pretty good, But I think when you get people that are reviewing videos and just being a little too picky, but come on, let's just call it what it is. Just use it for what its intended purposes are, and this is fine. But yeah, I love it. I can't wait to hook this up with my Action 6 to use that. And here's the receiver. I know with the Mic 2, something else I didn't like is the receiver was huge. DJI also sells an attachment for this, so you don't have to use the cable. But yeah, just adding less weight to the camera. The less the better. But yeah, that's it. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing just to show you guys what it is. And yep, we're good to go. So I'm going to charge these up. Y'all have a good one. Peace.